Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA'S. Guys, I'm so happy for this recipe. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and I believe everybody is doing amazing. I miss you guys, and finally I am back. Okay guys, so today's video we are going to be making healthy, delicious meal for weight loss. Okay, so with this recipe I am going to be making healthy, authentic wheat Angwamu. So this is supposed to be very healthy for you. So for those who are trying to lose weight and they still want to eat something like for local food, this is the best option for you. Okay, so if you want to lose weight and then you don't know what to eat, you feel like I still want to eat my home food but I don't know what to twist to it to make it look healthy, this is for you. So this is Bulgur Wheat. Okay, I'm gonna say shout out to Sweet Ajele for such a beautiful recipe. She showed me where to find this. I am so thankful, girl. If you are watching me, thank you so much for this wheat. And Sweet Ajele is a YouTuber. She cooks all kinds of food. She's amazing. Go ahead and check her out. So guys, this is Bulgur Wheat. So this wheat is basically a normal wheat grains that's been broken into pieces and pre-cooked. It's very healthy for you. I remember growing up in Ghana, we used to eat this a lot. So with this wheat here is very healthy. So I have about 3 cups of this wheat right here, and with this you can get it from any store near you. Like if you are living in Ghana, it's all over the place. If you are in the state, you can get it from your local store. Okay, and also I have some eggs on this side. I'm using coconut oil this time. Yeah, and I also have my spinach. I have some chili hot pepper right here. That is habanero, and I have 1 red onion. I have some yellow and red peppers, and my salt. So guys, this is very simple meal, very healthy. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I got my stove right here, and we're gonna start. I do apologize for the sound if it's too loud. That's my stove. It's making a weird sound for no reason. So now I think this is hot enough, so I'm going to add coconut oil. I'm not going to add all of it because I'm going to use some to cook the egg. We all know that coconut oil is very healthy for you as well. Well, if you're going to lose weight, I recommend that you use coconut oil for all your cooking. Like you fry something, you make some stew. It does have a little strong smell, but the more you cook it or the more you fry stuff with it, it kind of loses the smell a little bit. Yeah, so this is ready. So I am going to add my diced onion. So the onion I cut it into 2, and then I'm gonna cook it with the coconut oil. So we're just gonna let the onion cook until it turns like a brown color, and then we will add our wheat. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so now as you can tell, the onion is being cooked. Like if I saw a mom, they be a cancer as well. Mom, we are not say a sham, not a two kama, my onion, my name shit. Make sure you allow the onion to cook until it's like a brownish color. This is the perfect time to add your rice or your wheat. So I'm going to add my wheat right here. Give it a nice stir. So this is very healthy for you, for those who want to lose a few pounds. Okay, so I'm going to add some water. Just give it a stir. It's smelling really nice, guys. I use come up. So now I'm going to add some salt. Just some salt to taste. test and see how it is. And that is perfect. So at this point, I am just gonna cover it and then let it cook. It'll take a few minutes to cook, so it shouldn't take longer than that. Hello guys, so as you can see here, I have my habanero on this side. I have some fresh red pepper, that is a bell pepper. I have the yellow one on this side as well. I have my onion, so we're going to blend all of this together. Okay, so that will balance with the spiciness, because this habanero here is very spicy. You have to do it in a sanka way. If you don't have a sanka, you can use your blender, it doesn't matter. So we're just gonna blend this. So now this is perfect. Pim. Because you channel pip. Angwamu what you pip na kama. And yes, fit. Alright guys, so now we're gonna check the Angwamu and see how it's doing so far. Woo. Oh wow, it's doing very nice. As you can see, a too shiny hamper. Yeah. It's looking very nice. I think with this, it feels like it needs just a little bit of water, so make it in soup. I probably do soup. Oh, not a mono. I am rekakra, so I need just a little bit of water to work with it to make it complete, so it will be soft enough for me. Okay. Then we're just gonna cover it. Let it steamer, and that'll be it. I'm going to break 2 eggs. Okay, so this is all part of the weight loss meal. Okay, so I'm going to add some mixed pepper this side. I'm going to add just a little bit of spinach, some diced onion as well. So everything's supposed to be green and colorful like that. See that? And now I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, or less than a pinch, just to taste. All you have to do is just mix them together, so like you're making an omelette. This is very, very healthy. Just gonna let it heat up a little bit. So I'm just gonna add my egg. We're just gonna let it cook. Look how beautiful this egg is, guys. It looks yummy. Because you're not supposed to say, hey. Because you're fat. Yeah. Our wheat is finally done. As you can see, look at that. See that? It's looking very, very yummy. So I am going to dish this out, okay? Look at that. Looking very beautiful. Alright, so I have my sanka here as already. There be my sanka de potoyo de me fen ya go no am didimuo eno aketu bi kra na didimu ayekama. This is the best part. Okay, when you blend your pepper, na me ko na kekayo nim no what a fine channel dear. Yes. So now we're going to dish it out with my wheat Angwamu. I show you guys how it look. Looking very, very, very yummy. I wish you guys can try this. I come up. I show me so. That's my father's favorite meal right here. Alright, That is good, guys. So now, as you can see, I have my pepper right here. PM come on. So you have to put it in the middle, just like home. And one more. We are the dinner with team fifthly. Yeah, this is what you need in the healthy way, guys. And also, I got my egg, my beautiful egg on this side. Guys, look at that complete meal. Look at how delicious this looks. You see, guys, look at that beauty. You see that, guys? This is looking very beautiful, very healthy, delicious, guys. So this is how I make my wheat angwamu, or burger wheat angwamu. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Try and let me know what you guys think. I know this is very, very healthy for you, especially if you're trying to lose weight and then you still want to eat healthy, eat like home. This is for you. So I hope you show me try this recipe and let me know how yours came out. This is very, very delicious, man. I hope you show me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And for those, I love you guys. I hope you show me. Enjoy wheat angwamu weight loss style. All right. Bye, guys.